Not there present. When we went to Newi, what happened? About 2 vehicles on the army. Now, because of that vehicle on the army, we brought police more than 30 persons. So that in the army actually now,
Yes.
in the army, when they approached Onisia did not even agree until they go see Onisia that gazetted. Once they would that gazette, go see the man. The man was
Man, the man who's then we
paralyzed.
about to I na tell you so no nenu. About to Zian. E we go see that. The man who
The man was paralyzed. He can't say any word. The man resisted. We ransacked from a hotel more than 60 something room was ransacked. The whole room, even in the army room itself.
why man on ya because on nenu.
I don't know, but I don't know. Chimezie, welcome, because
Mezie.
Yeah, intelligent caller kissing there. How you hotel? How you challenge? And I wear hotel. Yeah, we ban a short stay challenge. Ever na hey, gotta go. Ever na get me for there because and I know
Yeah.
you get already diplomatic passport holder. Got to get such a place. All question on the biggest ever already known on the ban dinner. Yeah, challenge. You know, I want a hotel always. You know, I a hotel, then I made mistake. But with all due respect, you know, yeah, I hotel. So, ndị na-edu ya most of them aghọtachahụ the reality of life.
Yeah.
Mgbe ihe a bidotara Kingsley ahụ na-echeta na your page and nke Jim asị m Ogechi the best and let her handle herself because being on the run is expensive and it's not gonna be forever. Escobar over on the run gbagiri ike ọsọ agwa ya gbara gbabasi ime ọhịa but emechara nwetakwa ya. So most of them, in as much as Hanemewo, they need to study things. So long after government, so long government now, there's no point. There's no point running. I want to control in UK. This guy made about ya only na like a sentence here. Yeah, war from dock na boss. I mean, judges say, I'm happy. Ekwesịtụ ya afọ 10. Ndị polisi ma ebe ọ nọ na Poland na Portugal ahapụ 4 months. Let's say the guy on the run for more than a decade from UK. Aga nwụlata ya bido hule sentence here again, which is he's been on the run for 10 years. Within that 10 years, ihe ya ọ kwesịrị sabụcha aga nwụlata ebe ọ nọ na Portugal. They will watch him and chọọchị. And what is there to say and ga ibido hule that 10 years. So which is gịnị ka ihe njewata aka side onye a prolong the Mayday. And when I don't want mother, when once Mayday and I can't help it, just face it as a human being. Mananda honor can hedge, but they cannot face their consequences. Hawa Ogechi Okeke on their own. She cannot sustain it. Because my brother, Onya Hebola Naga, Ochobi Anaka. But at the end of the day today, half of man. Ndị gbara ya okirikiri are not even her problem. Her problem bụ Ogechi herself.
Yes.
Onye a wee bully. Onye a enwe mmekwata. Enwe ihe intelligent caller kwuburu na enweghị na maka esi ekwu okwu. Mana ile the age anyị nọ na all digital age. Onye ọbụla nwere that understanding ga-minimize ọ na-eme online. The Chimezi na ahụ online is different from the Chimezi offline. Maybe offline nwa nwere ike pịa mmadụ bọtụ n'isi. Why? Because onye na-eme echeta ha na-akpọ digital footprints. All these videos people na-eme here and there, it goes viral. Mana ya na-ewu That her attitude alone would not help her in any shape or form. Agbanyeghị ndị sakwa ya n'azụ, it will never help her.
Mm.
It will never help her. It will never help her. So ha ka kwado nke awa ọtụtụ. And if he later their tactic in a blackmail Madam Shehu, they are getting it all wrong. Because Madam Shehu is just one of the complainants. There are numerous people. There are numerous. So back Hannah made mistake. Hannah trying to blackmail the woman. Blackmailing her is nothing. I wonder in one sense. Mgbe ha ma na ọ gbajulu dọrọ, they should have persuaded Ogechi. Even nobody needs to persuade her. Emma, on social media, onye ọbụla billionaire. On social media, onye ọbụla will bully. On social media, onye ọbụla will, ọkalịsa. Onye ọbụla galadima. Mana reality hit here. Gị mara onye nwe onye.
Yes.
The reality was on her doorstep. And she had every opportunity to amend it, make peace, and go her way. But here, Kuchi, can happen. A bully is a bully. You cannot change a bully. That is her nature. Nobody can change who she is. Yeah, Potagori today, she will continue the person she is. I will explain. My brother, onye gagide ije, anapịa passport o ji alaghachi ebe oshi, enwe ịkwụ ngwụrọ karịa ka ahụ. A normal human being should do what? Personally reset their brain. Go and start begging. Mana ya bịa, ya na-agba egbe ọnụ na iru akwụkwọ. Ndị mmadụ echi n'azụ, ndị ihe echi n'azụ na-ayọ. But I thank God now, on no go this situation now, which is good. At least come 8th of next month, the honorable court will deny her bail. I still maintain it. Because a bit of the hearing, able pleading not guilty, the trial has to start. Now her legal thing are trying to bring technicalities into it. But we call her name. They bring up the back of their minds. There are some technical things that cannot fly. Because one, their client is a flight risk. Put that aside. Their client jumped administrative bail. Put that aside. Their client has multiples of cases. Put that aside. Their client, her case is a case of national interest. It's a high risk profile case. So these are the things that, wherever, it doesn't matter if it's a professor of law. These are the things they should explain to their cycle and tell them, you know what, between 9 and 10, we don't stand a chance. They don't stand any chance on this. Mana onye ọbụla na-ekwu ihe a na-ekwu ya based on ha na-efeel that Nigeria is a banana republic.
Yeah.
Na a ga-eme otu usoro ha. My brother, that will not fly. In Nigeria today, there are high-profile Nigerians, AJJ. Till today, I granted them a bail. Ogechi Okeke Njaka, Bakari Eji. Before I put Dansuki Kotara 3 years and some months with a beg, with his motor beg. So here one I feel to create a wrong impression that when it comes July 8th, when the honorable court will rule and deny bail, they cannot cry. We are here to occupy this space with them for social media. Ogwaiwaji is to explain to the people in the little way we understand things. I'm not a lawyer. I don't know the technicality. I don't know what the jargons. But from a mere perspective, as a layman, she doesn't stand the chance of granting bail.
Yes.
And she's not going to be the first. She's not going to be the last. I don't care from the day I'm arrest video trial. The judge in New York, where you don't stand the bail. No, even PDD, court they reject their bail or once or twice. They refused it because of again he's a risk. From the day I'm arrest now, Heathrow Airport till Atoya Ghana Buddha. The court told him they will never grant him bail. So that is not even entertained. But these are the areas the Nigerian judiciary should take a stand. A high-profile case is a case of national interest. So long the police, PRO, the IGP office
Yeah,
read this as a high-profile case, right? In what I'm trying to say, in a normal law, so long, all your people are not water. My case in the Kano. So long that case is of national interest and
I
high
mean,
profile,
I have that access.
nobody is granting anybody bail. Till the bet you ban.
Yes.
But these are the areas most lawyers don't want to tell their clients the truth. Look at it anywhere, or Nigeria, or Germany, or US, or UK. So long that case is of national interest and it's a high profile case, the person involved will never be granted bail. Mana lawyers ndị ụrụ a ama ka ha ga-ekwu nke eziokwu, ha na-achọ drum up emotions here and there.
There's more.
So my brother, let's see how it's going to happen on the 8th of July.
Oh, wow.
But what anybody can take to the bank, so long this is a high profile case, it's a case of national interest.
Yes.
There's a publicity from the Nigerian Police Force, PRO, to state the fundamentals of the case. The chances of her getting a bail is zero. That is simple truth. Except otherwise, but literally, in accordance with the law and the nature of this case, she doesn't stand a bail. And here the one that she cannot act the same way in America. Even America says, all got on the run. I told her be a hotel and not I get what we back at door. America police would not. American police dey come aka mmadụ wepụta wallet na ID card from ya gbaa ya 48 bullets. A ga-agba ya ka nchi. That day, ya ga-agba ya ka nchi. Because sorry to say this, most of them na-eme ya, both ndị mụrụ ndị nọ diaspora, ha na-eme ya with two options. They are not closer to Nigeria. And ha bata Nigeria, ha na-feel is a place they can just, maneuver their way. Most of the attitude they put out, they cannot try it. They cannot. They cannot. In fact, some of the Facebook broadcasts, they'll just get a knock on the door and they'll be arrested. Simple. Onye Sawashi, ha Joe Gates and her syndicate. Why do they not target any child that is based in America with the parents and bully that child online with their picture and put RIP? Why are they not trying it? Why are they not trying it? Hana target them did not outside America because of what? They know the legal cost of Chimizu coming to America to hire a lawyer to pursue a case. But they would avoid doing that to any American side.
Chimezi, Ogechi is a high security risk. Grant bail would be like handing keys to a prison escaped artist. I say, hold on. She is gone for the next 7 to 10 years. Try and let them sink into your scores slowly, if necessary.
My brother, equally here. One of the problems I am most lawyers know the truth, but they want to deceive their clients. In my why? They want to keep building this hope so that they keep pumping in the money. Right? I can take for example now, when they cannot arrest. People, I don't care for people to like me. I am one of the people that said, sit at home will not resolve it. This is a case of national security. Or what the presidency, Imandi Office of the National Security, they can advise on that case. And I see this is a great risk. Nobody's granting him bail. No matter the technicality with extraordinary rendition or rendition, till today I grant earlier bail. The answer is no. Until the day they rule on that case. That is it. Monday lawyer, but Monday Sun, they all know the truth. But they are too scared or timid to say this on camera. But within them, they know the truth. Whoever has followed any case in any country of a national interest and a high risk that has a criminal element to it. The people I'm arrest when I grant you have been. No so bad, my brother. Not a problem.
Taija kola.
Keke.
Zianyo zioma ka bai nante.
Ịmara ndị otu nwanyị omekome. Of course, what Chimezie is saying is right. Lawyers have to give you hope. It's part of their profession.
Ego na bana without ego
It's just part of their profession. But when man where something ndị otu Ogechi na amaro. All of them have set their eyes on it. And that they have only one outcome in mind. If that outcome did not happen, Judge Eligo bribe.
But
what they did not know is that what will happen on 8, Aburo granting her bail. What will happen on 8 is the argument of her bail. So it will be at the discretion of the judge to choose A or B. I don't know what I'm trying to say.
yeah.
So Hachana Patarana, Delia, Inago, Abala, no. You hear what evidence you go seek and bail. And that was what they were preparing. In saying on Abobala, what you whatever doctor's report, that was what they I want to say David. How you should have that day, nigga, he had a life for record, he didn't have that sleep.
I don't know, I didn't do record.
See, argument I been a court that day, Argument I been a court that day. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah, you know, if the man that buy me pay court.
Argument together that day. And reason. Even more self, I'm going to represent you. Just one reason. One guy, why am I near? I ain't chama. Mana kaina agani kokona or kaina aganu bi kokanaka. Let's not preempt the court. Let's see what the court will do. Their lawyers will do their work. Our lawyers will do their own job. Man, ihe na-ekwu abụrụ maka nke no go emotion. Na-ekwu ka ndị ochi ndị ọzọ mụtakwa ife n'ihe a. Ka ya halite okwu ụzọ nwaanyị omekome atọ. N'eka onye ọbụla na-ayọ na. A na-esend the daily case. A na-akpọ na phone. A na-emit DPO. A na-emit Commissioner of Police. A na-emit DIG. But when you have the opportunity to amend it, Imeria. Nke abụọkwa ọgọ nwoke bụ onye polisi. Okwe.
Ma ọ bụ na ọ kwa Department of Lawyer.
Iyo.
The legal team is a police officer.
Iyo.
Your boys.
Iyo.
Your in-law will come on phone when another. Then I be near free.
Iyo. Onye ọbụla see imagine the particular na nke that guy. I felt no ya kacha the vulnerable.
Omara dị ihe na-eme no. Ọjọọ sị na-ekwere omara ihe na-aga.
Do you know why I feel no ya kacha the vulnerable?
Hey,
I called Ugebe Naja privately. We call Ugebe Naja from the angle because go and advise this guy. Ugebe Naja says Ugebe Naja cannot lie now. And when you meet Ugebe Naja, it's like I don't want that thing to happen. Asukami akwụsị o. Niye Ugebe Naja very, very careful. You see this, you see that, you see this one, very big problem.
Problem more.
No nwoke ka ọ bụ na o jegodo nga na onwere ihe ome.
Kedu ihe m gwara gị? Ọma ngweli okwu ya bara ya uru na sọsọ ya gbawara ya asaga. Ugebe ji eje ga advice ya rescue ugu n'ụwa.
Nna nene ihe a. Nsị ọ na-arụ nwoke a dị fresh na. Because eji nwana nyanwa ka dị more vulnerable. Nyanwa ka dị more vulnerable.
Ife ọ na ọbịa na page ya nwanne nya ahụ ka nya na-eme video. Ka onye ara ahụ kwuo okwu, ọ sị cheka nkwu okwu, cheka nkwu okwu, cheka nkwu okwu, ọ gbochie ya ọnụ, ọ chọrọ ka okwu okwu ka ọ baa uru. Ọ chọkọ ọ baa ha na n'ime na ọ chọwa ụbọ ọzọ ya akpọkọrọ o nwere ka ọ na nke Kalisus. Kalisus baa n'ime, ọ chọkwa onye ọzọ ya akpọwa.
Because anwụ na ga-enwe so many issues about ma nsogbu bịara onye a.
Na wa for you, ebozo children, ihe bịagara abịa.
One, ihe ji okwu that thing, ọ ka nwekwa time. One, obodo ọ nọ. Mụnwa magodo na ya nwa adịrọ comfortable dị ya. Mụnwa magodo nke a for example.
Ịbịa na Malaysia na Nigeria bịa na Malaysia na sị na edimand onye a ibudi ata Malaysia nye onye ahụ pepa kpụrụ onye a tie na plane nawa. He nwere time isecure efulefu Nigerian people. So ebe ihe okwu awụ Europe, Canada, US.
Onye nọ Canada ka nwetara shelter because o nwere ike decide their good life Canada ka nnọkwa na abatakwa Nigeria eme again.
Asia a na-egwu egwu. Asia inwe hogara akwụkwọ ebe ọ na-ekweri o nwere ike onwe ha akwụkwọ.
My brother, I don't want to talk a lot of things, but I want that guy to rescue. I don't want the prophecy of the Queen Pin to come to pass.
It has to pass.
I told him to pass.
It has got to pass. It has got to pass. Once you are not here, I'm going to say no man with peace. I was there, yeah, in the Susie, the RIP. No problem. I don't get me a John Boomer Chimaroke. Gakwe Nando. Ochele Guregu. A rimba half for ya.
Nah, that guy. That guy. Everyone at Ebanya more like area, but we have to do something, because some of them get paid near too much.
I they were in a prison. Happens here by one. I told you, my able to tell one. They were here.
Oh, Chiamaka, I can't neighbor prison, and I see what has I
drove with this effect on the hot chat. I took for one. If we live one, you won't buy. Also, did you have your wine? And that is true. Why eat the orchard? Either Hania, Chobe, Dibagotelano. Oh, na. What's all that? No, you call it better. What did
they Ian ka nwunye advice a na-ewetable ka ọ chụbụ ọkụkọ ojii before chi ejie. But anything sort of that. Anything sort of that, nda slam ya. Nda slam ya. Oya dịkwa brutal. That's about ya. Because I'm a ji ekwu ya. Because tomorrow na ọchọbụ onye oge blame onye nwa ji intelligent caller ihe na-alụ bụ ndị ga-etinye na lawsuit. Onye ọbụla si obodo ebo bata itinye na lawsuit na-adị ego nnekwa kemgbe nka ịnụkata na-ekwu some irrelevant things na-accuse mmadụ baselessly. Mụ na gị nwere ni issue. Mụ na gị kwuru okwu lawsuit. N'ife nsị gị bụ jee make a peace ka ihe anyala materialize. And can you see make a peace at this stage that they materialize? It won't where people now water. You know the person that suggested to put Ogechi on wanted list. He might suggesting Jinjin Venza.
Okay, yes.
He was the person that why not declare her wanted? He was the person who the first person you makakama or makanagena one nege colono, what he said.
Mind your merit, the princess, same woman and a papia. Or no, Yanu Gabenaja.
Directly involved. But now he wants to demonize everybody. People that are doing the right thing. You know, Kage na Wanya should have a cordial relationship. You know the discussions. You know everything. Now you are now coming to capitalize on the apology, thereby raising other miscreants to be talking about the topic. Ginger from the back. But with you now, I want to go justice from all those miscreants now. When I'm working now, concentrate on your business. Business is the one in a patronize as you claim. Nobody is disputing that. What are you getting as online? Get one with Facebook. Concentrate on it. Something that will take your okay at the end of the day, something that will take your time, take your energy, take your money. Why won't you avoid that? Now, age in Abago, you cannot continue to live in Asia because of age. At some point, you are not retirement. In or civil service in the next 3-4 years, in our retirement. Compulsory retirement. Or 5 to 6 years. And that is how life is. Ogodun is sorry, na life will retire you by himself because of age. Oya media for yana bobo la soon oya the 30-something years. 30-something years, how many years a long contract? Equal 17 years and near 5 years contract. Oya 30-something years, 32. How many years ago 1 year, 1 year extension, 1 year. They are not mad, but they know that you are nearing your peak has gone. Any other thing they perform, but out of luck, because injury went to go mega. That is how it is in life. Because when growth, this helped growth in life. To be woji before maybe. Don't come out to be mocking an apology. Concentrate on yourself. Can you see afraid here again about the worst? If you put this thing in a law court to argue, your own case is the worst. Ndo so sent ebe no.
Hey. Onye better ebere. Na amoro na obagona na.
Because ever I argue the case, evidence in Kege Kade was so before God and man, I don't want to say this, but let me say it. In fact, let me not say it. No, let me not say it. My own perspective.
What are your committee?
My own perspective, the way they look at it, yeah, that case in particular, that case in particular, the way me say look at it, the way she look at it, that day, let me give you one example. Let's assume Nebido Iba. ihe niile dị involve bịa. Do you know that word in a cartel, all of them will deny you na ha mara onye bụ?
Of course now.
Do you know why? Do you know why? If anybody accept no more onye ọ bụ,
Then he has to commit that thing.
ịta ka ịghọta. So up ahead.
Onye ka o ji wee kwuo na Facebook ya na onye nwanne jikwa emeke na ebe ọ bụ na ọ nọ onye na onye nke ọzọ ka dị bọnkọ na gịnị ya nọkwa anything.
Ahead.
You can't go to the okwu ọ bụ na join na mmadụ ịtọ ndị kwe na ndị ekwe ya ka ha ede esuzugharị ihe eze ala aga because onye ahịa sọrịnda onye nke ekwete onye nke a na free okwu ọ bụ na adị mmadụ ịtọ wee baa n'ime
okwu m nwee ka o si adị mana okwu m ga-efevokwa ma onye asị na mụ na ya na-eso onwekwa onye mụ na ya na-eso okwu
atọ
jinjin ọma nkọnarị nwu m n'ọnụ mụ na ya kọba ọnụ reality of life ọma nkọnarị nwu m njakịrị ọma nkọnarị nwu m.
So ọ dị ka ejide ya na ndị dị n'ode RYP ama mbịa even Geraldine ọma n'oso gwara ya ya ama forgive ya forgive onye ka ihe ji bụrụ odogwu na ọzọ mụnwa jide family m niile na-edu ego m na-egide nwunye m doo nne m doo ụmụnne m RYP HIV post isi na mụ na gị na-eme gị I will so deal with you.
Ebere na-emere dị mmanụ ebere na-emere ya nya biko asị nwa na-enwero nna onwero nna onye m ji ayolo unu kwuru lapụ ya maka ọfa nke ọ bụ.
I laugh.
Biko nụ onye ọnụ nabata na ya gbaalụ na ya maka problem no good okolo no good okolo wadike brother okolo no good me una no reminder my beg.
Mba chara aja nwa machine fara ya nkịtị ọkwa nkịtị ka ọ kwere ekwe amaka onye sisi adị ya akpọta ụmụazị a niile ma ndị nwunye mmadụ nne mmadụ idecha RIP HIV ejedere ha nchadị na enwere nke dị etu ahụ na-ebe ka dis guy nwedere ego eji wee kwụọ damage ya. Let's assume now na asụgoro ya ngwa prison to go apart because he can't damage the life of human being like this without compensation. As thinking of 500 million naira onye nwere 1,000 na account.
Mba ọ na-eme onwe ego kịta Chineke bless bịa. Money is relative. Business is going.
After all, let's went 1 billion. Queens. Ayan na amu.
Rapo our brother. Because sometimes some also Muna did the way fight here for more than 9 years. No, I can have fight one here. On when you give the rest in peace. Someone I get the one. Our people are not learning the same mistake. Why you make
problem with that guy, one under Manasahana goof. When you go, you're on a master on a call. You're on a master. Yes, we said, I want angle. On 1 hour now. Here the young one. On this. I second the other but before on a chapter on our Siana. Oh, yeah. I am not trying to see an aerosol case. We're not fighting for a year. On yours, what they mean.
I said, no, miss you, baby. He says, you will try. You will acquire a saga. Then, get a saga. Can you hear about it?
Mado, Nakaba more than what the no reasoning. Just here to give my name, but forgot our law. I can't go. Papa pay the Biana court, I call about Cocoria, na police. I say a right statement. Did they pay now?
Write what happened.
Ola afọ ka akwụkwọ vagam. Odere bi. As you don't finish. What do you write here? Can you read this? Because I cannot read it. He bullied me. I bully her. Is it what you write here? This one, what is this? This one, D.
You bully me, I bully you back. You first of all bully me.
Yeah. Right occupation or business. I thought he said you are a nurse. I said, yes. I don't want paper car with us. He bullied me. Why did you write HIV to somebody that doesn't have HIV?
I think they bullied my child too.
They bullied my mother. Where is your mother? My mother went died 9 years ago. Mr. Man, are you okay? We are talking about a person where they are alive. Who again? My mother 9 years. Oh yeah. Enter here. You don't know what I say. Enter here. You're not serious. Oh, you're talking about, okay, go bring the person where they bully now. Yeah. My mother, 9 years. If live. In Obi, and then the mother HIV RIP. Nara na bag.
They bully my mother. Jogi can they bully? They bully my children. That's an what any win go.
You bully me. I bully her.
We can buy a cross and you know.
Now, Peter fashion. I'm on my where's my picture? Can you the Nico? Can you? Ikoro Ebulatuzi Jelikoro.
In a mebu at one and I never notice.
Ikoro was your Jeba. You could have just created them happen here since. People back at that boy. Oh, couple for that matter. Is
Mother, the worst thing that an individual is to admit to a crime. Once you admit to a crime, on Wednesday, we are there. Step to prison. I told him, Kozubo. A full freshman, but also Nanyaman any mother Nico. I admit to go. Obudu Nana Fukin, maybe I could do no program. No AI video, not this one. I will make good investigate the video. When I thought, what are you putting in there? Oh my God. You ain't what asked my man.
I was like, I do a better game video. I let you. Oh, and the baby question of Boyoku. Ndia wanya dia na bona saka cartel ada share any trouble is if ma ikoro one nobody they can't just go to their page and see it. They don't see the red flag.
At this point, onwez ko try associate onwe ya with onye obona. I swear to God, why you make nwe ka o si pụta. This boy ama na emezi something na page ya. Per head. Ikwu kateri kpọta ndị gị na ha kwụ. Osu brile o. Na biko this boy ihe nje enyetu ya small advice because nyanwa na claim na anyị nne ya bido ya for 9 years. In fact, no ya bụ pioneer. Nyanwa welcome onye ọbụla. Yes. Nwebe afọ amụma nwaanyị omekome bụ onwe ka ọ dị na mgbe ikpeazụ na a ga-agụli ya amaghị m na ọ ga-adịrị gị otu a mama me ewe atime ewe Efola me, ewo abaye nagadiri motwa.
Aye.
Had I know the last comment of a fool, be like he the water, the wisest man na the industry. People don't pay attention. Pay attention to pattern. Ide Water came to Nigeria. He befriended Mirabel. He befriended me.
Now I'm on my page. Same be a ticket.
Not because not because we are friends, but for potential problem to stop.
That young woman no make good
But
mistake.
I think we love ourselves. Forget ranting. All of us never love ourselves. Oh, because of the reason there is no bad person. I'm continue to tell you this thing. Onwere anybody the bad. None saga except one omekome. Because onye ọbụla n'ụlọ nọ n'ube nwanne wee gbata ọsọ enyemaka, despite ihe ọbụla mesịsị ime along the line, that person have a good heart. You have a good heart. That is why sometimes in the Western sport about our ndị anyị na ha may have. And I always tell people, onwere onye mụ na ya nwere nsogbu in particular. Ihe ọbụla mụ na gị may just end in the surface. And one wekwa reason me mụ na gị ji wee mee that thing because you try to interfere. Monique Brown amansi na ma akpali gị. Osubiriri amansi na ma akpali gị. Kesịrị amansi na ma akpali gị. So ndị mụ na ha nwere okwu bụ ndị chọrọ na ma chọrọ ka mụ na ha na nweta that goal, which is the win pin. And anytime ị tọnụkwa, mụ na ga-adịkwa na mma. And now the win pin nọzi na custody. Kezi reason mụ na gị ga-eji wee nwekwa nsogbu. Onye ndị advice lo okokpola.
Ezigbo okokporo.
Esigo m n'azụ nye advice but I know na o nwere ike ebe nyere ya that message.
Ọmanye ya onye nke achọ ka onye nke ị chọrọ ọtọ ya ahụ o kere 30,000 na obi dị ya mma. Ị na-emekwa ị na-ede n'anya.
It could be because those people nwere forgiving heart.
Onye mere na ije na nke igwe anyị amara onye bụ igwe ndị Mbaise Reginald Amadi ka ị tụrụ ga-ebere je forgive jinjin. Advice anyị nyere onye kwa ejiji ka mara eme ọ chọọ ka jinjin nọ na so ya ka o ji na chetakwa nke ikpeazụ ka o mee ka achọ na jinjin nwere data nsogbu because o megide Ogechi enwe nsogbu ọkụ aka. Now jinjin is this ndị a nwekọrọ ọtọ ya ichere ga-ebere aja dị happy with them nọrọ n'ebe a na
So Jinjim, the October saga in Aiku, onwere onye dey afraid of saga. To me, I've always believed that saga is just a means of entertainment. Onye nwa mgbe mụ na Oriakụ na-eme ihe saga, we are just entertaining. Try as much as possible to entertain. You know? Onye ọbụla enwe aṅụrị. So ọ bụ ma saga nwere onye na onye niile ihe niile efu ebe a dịsịgo immune to saga nwere onye bụ onye ọfụ. Nwere onye na-amara ekwu amụ n'ọtụ. It's just that some people decide not to say it. You know? So
ọ sị ya nọ da Vietnam dankin dankom case mmadụ na-agwụ agwụ.
o nwere iwu na amụrụ na Vietnam. Vietnam bụ a small challenge. Ma kesi bido. Kesi ebidobeghị na
One touch ka anyị efo ya enu sef fọnata ya Abuja ya. One touch. Vietnam or country Asia na-adịghị anya ka ekwu ihe onye a mere the police are handle the over immediately. They know they take time. Come to Malaysia and the buy.
Can we get something in Amaro? I reason to say go and make peace. And free yourself from this hotel. Don't underrate anybody in this life. There are so many ways to kill a bird. You may not get quimping treatment. You may get another one. Onwe okwu ga-ekwu gị akịta now. Yeah, say why can mmadụ ga-esi were reason all this far? Vietnam is a country I can behave like I'm influence gum. Then when you went there. Apusigom. Gambia.
Na Malaysia ibiri. Onye ọbụla edi mind from Nigeria embassy. Ozugbo abịa ebe a kọrọ ya ka polisi anwụrụ enwe ụnụ. Etia na plane ụna. Unu ejikwa tiketi ya. Ebe a ka onye anọ na-ezuzigharị. Vietnam ebe a. One touch.
Now, ihe na-aghọtara ọ bụ na Vietnam. Most all the Nigerians in the street. And by implication, onye ọbụla nọ na street nwere potential to do anything for money. Okay, now what I'm trying to say.
Yes.
And any money, he or she must accomplish that purpose. Because all my open accomplish that purpose, you can watch up here.
Ọ na-arụ ọrụ ọ na-akwụta asị ejide ejuo ihe ọ na-arụ na ọsị gịnị. Ka anyị mara ihe merenụ Ogechi Okeke Njaka and the husband and the fortunate, according to this woman, by the Mr. Obi. Because that is not me said. That is what she said. We come out to know the reason why Ogechi and the husband and the fortunate by the Mr. Obi, according to Geraldine. And the Geraldine are here saying, na Ogechi Okeke Njaka, na Babuya, federal government, kwesime kwenka, IG of police, Kayode, kwesime kwenka, onye nke mekwenka. You are the one that make the report to federal high court. You are the one that make the report at the first headquarters, Abuja, that Ogechi paid Mr. Obi, and the case is going on up to today. Wazobi Aranti, where have you been since? It has been long ago. And the guess is age them madam on. Some of one watch also. This woman was the person that reported the case. You get in focus now. Now Abuja here. Or Geraldine launched the case at the Federal High Court. And the Geraldine launched this case at the first headquarters Abuja Police Station. She was the one that brought all this case in Abuja that fortunate on Ogechi and the husband by the Mr. Obi. You people are seeing it. This is video. This is evidence at the court of law.
Ogechi, you
look at it here.
Ogechi Njaka killed Mr. Emmanuel Obi. Ogechi Okeke Njaka and Vitalist Ogechi Njaka killed Mr. Emmanuel Obi. Ogechi, you killed Mr. Emmanuel. Ogechi, you and Julie Ago, you people traffic women by telling them to come online to show their breasts and their private part. Ogechi, we have all your videos. Ebuka's own is small. When I'll start posting my own video, you will run mad. Fair your dibia, she is or he is fake. Thank you. I'm still alive. I'm basking in the aura of God. God bless everyone. Ogechi Okeke Njaka and Ugochukwu Vitalis with fortunate the fake doctor killed Mr. Emmanuel Obi. People good.
Am I the one that said it? Is the intelligent caller the one that said it? Is Oriak the one that said it? Who said it? Geraldine Obuefi said Ogechi and the husband and the fortunate by the Mr. Obi. And this is why the case has been launched at Federal High Court and the first headquarters. Now, Onya, you kucha this thing. See, UK send ya over 600,000 naira. Kebujoku na Federal High Court. Kebujoku na first headquarters. At the end of the day, opposition will do because Osu atro amereji webe na this movie industry. This a full phone na forever. This minority onye rozogo na UK. Somebody so no nwere umuazi no na Nigeria for a decade. Ochibra anya afọ a. Onye we bụ a good mother. Every day na akwari na burial ground. You are the one that testified. You are the one that said you will stand. Then Ogechi by this man. At the end, if Tanzania Queen, you are rubbish. You will answer this question at the Federal High Court because you are the person that brought this case here in Abuja. We take you make arrest and one go get your Okeke Njaka. Then he does just say why you will quote this thing. He say, hey, Nkechi Asaram, only one give fake information. Only one have fake information. Akwara go do go and onwege. Papu nanga. Because what woman go nga we through Patrick Udensi. Remember, I told you that you go to that jail. Now, Onya, be cause of this whole problem. Before this guy, a waiter and coffee for Ago, let me show you now something. Let me show you guys something.
Strictly on exposition of NGOs in regards to Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Since 2020, that was when we actually discovered that she's been scamming people online. And until justice is served, we will keep on exposing this atrocity committed by this lady in Biafra land. Now, we'll keep on exposing Ogechi Okeke Njaka's atrocity on social media until justice is served. Until Biafra people realize that this woman is nothing but a thief who has decided to steal from the poor.
Can you know here that we will expose Ogechi to the level, to the certain level? Authority will come in. That is what she said. Until justice will be served to Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Now, justice have served to Ogechi Okeke Njaka, and this is fully fua. Where Biana was in the mother that Ogechi is innocent. But she was one that arranged all this fake NGO. Put Ogechi picture and wrote so many things and they make this video. So after all these things, you turn back and be telling people, which means you deceive people. Chiradini lied to people. When we know exactly what happened, that Ogechi Okeke Njaka Rirego ndi mmadụ jirego Mr. Obi before the man and war. At the end of the day, give Jana sort on in a sort on social media today.
Of the poor in remote villages, and this is Ogo. She's always saying that I'm jealous of her. It's all about envy and jealousy. And I keep wondering to myself, why should I be envious of someone that I've never seen one-on-one? Why should I be envious of someone that has got nothing important to offer to the world or to, let me say, society? Not even, okay, let's say community at large without stealing from them. Why would I be jealous of someone who comes on social media and body shames other women and say also
a woman that come on social media and body shamed her fellow woman? Now, okay, Geraldine, I want to find a video. One video I mentioned about 1 million naira to Tara. 1 million naira to Tara Obi family. Let me see.
He has a
I will look for that particular video. boss na atotara Mr. Obi 1 million naira.
Ogechi remains a criminal and she can never change. She can never change. She still remains a criminal. She will always be a criminal. She can never change. Therefore, we have to keep an eye on her. The reason why we'll keep on keeping an eye on her is because every day new people come into Facebook. Innocent people, people with good hearts. And if we don't keep preaching this gospel, Ogechi will keep on manipulating the minds of these new people. Ogechi will keep on scamming them.
Now, that if we are not coming out to be saying and advocating this thing, then Ogechi will be scamming people and be scamming them and be scamming them. Now we come to stop Ogechi Okeke Njaka. This woman, we pari wine. Ona free ara na yonya no bidoro ta. Ara bidoro bo. Ara na yonya obidoro ta obidoro bo. Very useless idiot. Ama akwụkwọ mgbe ka eji wee ma na Ogechi Okeke Njaka agaghị kama primary school na first quarter here ka ihe mgbe Ogechi bidoro. I swear mgbe ka ndị eji wee nenesia ya wee fu Ogechi finish. Oh madam, all these things you are doing, you cannot write a sentence. So all these things you are talking on Facebook, you cannot write a sentence. You cannot write a just one line. My name is Ogechi Okeke Njaka. I based in America. I am a nurse. I was born in 1920. I was at the career. What can I write? You went in a signature Ogechi signing. Hey, Chineke. Oh, that is Okwe signature. Vaga. Ibo Ogechi Nasia. The way you want signature. Signature, I know na sign go there again. Ogechi can never. If you all vulgar na signatory. Hi. Wema na mua. Nden kamwa di kasieba aje we medugri. Look at life Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Fortunately deceive Ogechi. Alicia Travel deceive Ogechi. Kalisu say deceive Ogechi. Because why the West I deceive all the grown up enough to stand in your choro. Mana onye nke see kwara side ka kwara side now on atafu Kalisu no jele na police station one day ore kwara yon police na ga for joy ga what is time the same Kalisu na sina no jele police station e return here for one day na anya for ya na eba akwa na chekwere jeji every police ga for joy what is time the same Kalisu no na post to picture on them mad. Nobody asked Ogechi to come to Nigeria and then Bonandegede. Iya juso wegi kere gwari abia Abuja. Let us know the movie. Juo wegi kere meri ojibi Abuja. Iye ni na agbara akọ Ogechi metere. Keke sa choga cho na Abuja. Obora Abuja ke ya bia ha bia. Sini na hide. That no no zuwar ge ma na onya na aru adro ya. Nobody asked her to come. That time anwa ekwure erugo obapule even dey na see ebe ka na aga nti akpochie vaga omakpo na plane vam onatara vam na kewa agata ya jene na Davido one man na agba onoro nwanya na enye nsogbu na Facebook oto na like this na fam. Today what happened? Ofia furu agege na na abu no n'okwu individual agege na abu no n'okwu ndị church gịnị ya na-abụdọ n'okwu court gịnị ya na-abụdọ n'okwu police gịnị ya na-abụdọ n'okwu kedu ka isi wee chọọ na Ogechi ya Naija? Ogechi nwere problem with the Nigerian government. Ogechi nwere problem with the church Mbaka. Ogechi nwere problem with dibia Ofia Frago akwa ọkụkọ dem. Ogechi nwere problem with individual. Kedu ndị ya na Ogechi na-enwere okwu n'ụka? Gbamu embassy ya na-abụ ya nwoke okwu because ọ tụrụ fasị na ndo hizuri were passport ya. Why the authority the passport ya? Kereba ye kubedi yari ibie. So I believe in the latest Hollywood movies. You may go understand now. But these people none of them and one can e nwere dị nke na atukwana chechichesi Ogechi one gịnị dị na tag na Nigeria vam anwụ dere gị Ogechi gịnị burukwe gị bịawa Abuja vam anwụ dere gị ya nwa gbara aka mana all this ndị a na-eso ha time will come mgbe anya ha niile ya emepesi one after another. Instead of hide in Abuja, Kemafia no were. Ebe governor no so yes ya. Ebe adanne hope no. Yes ya according to Ogechi. Ogechi agbarazi we bia wa Abuja. My brothers and my sister kediye megi yeji we bia na state a na choga cho. But God don't tell me say na choga na Lagos. E gbaru moto je we Lagos ni na hide. Ona that rezu oge man ya agbaraka. Ona that rezu oge man that no Ogechi Okeke Njaka is in a very big mess. Come on, you just show you na choya. Settle what problem ya. Then and do to what an ezusiari. The problem hana cause quite more and more. My people. And when we go Ogechi to where Potana, I said that grant to Ogechi Okeke Njaka bell on 8. Let's assume it. Passport Ogechi ananie mbanu. Ebegi bena Mr. Obi mbanu. Enego final judgment mbanu. Then the federal government finish go case ya mbanu. Ena tag bell abronya ngwabone epugo out of the case. Ena tag bell we ena patakwa ebe anwa. Another thing you bubakwa gi. Passport go there. You can never escape. And then you may be in a situation every week here at the court. So will be a jung. And any day be all. Honorable shorty. My own no ye me know where that the government I am Ogechi in a situation of step 1 inch. And any day with a court case, or not be a problem. So nobody I shot you Ogechi Okeke Njaka must be very, very careful. Honorable I shot you Ogechi. Now situation on a certain bell Ogechi is taking the highest risk. Because any day for ya on your Jamunia, who know your mobile, everything over police or court. I remind you go there for some time. Why are you hiding? You bully, I bully. Why can't you bring your evidence? Why are you running? That means you are not. You know what you are doing. That means you did it. Jenu, Marion, Mono, no fia for ago. It's what I shall shout to Yana. Epa Koni Yanokwa, already. Jenu said to with Ofia for ago. I am telling you, people, go and make every necessary move to settle the case from Ofia for ago. Without it, Afonobo sorry. Afono bụ sorry. Ndị niile na Ogechi nọ pụrụ n'aka Ogechi ha chenwere go onwefa. Ndị mmadụ na-epost ụmụ fa na-epost difa, na-epost nwunye fa because amanjizi ya gbasa again. Emanjuzi ya sini na-emesa again. All sanitization ka emere na this Facebook nnafụ. Through Anya Abuja and the help of us as well because this is a combined something. Oburo fwenye meria. Enwere ndị nwere ekere ọrụ eke. Enwere ndị nwere na authority mebe. When ndị nwere anyị nwere na social media. Wekwe ndị nwere spiritual something. When ndị nwere ikpe ekpere. Ekere ọrụ eke. Everybody gbara mbọ. Nke o ji wee bụrụ mmadụ. No, ema advice a na-enyefa bụ ọsọ gị ime ọsọ gị emene. Ka ọ ya abụ osubiri. Anya pasi ai kwakwara ga-agwa mbosi dị etu a na ihe a ya hapụ no. Stop making it looks like na enwere ego na abụ na agbawo. No. So fortunate all those things in eme rubbish. Osogo Chiamaka enwere video Chiamaka mere na kesele lakpuru because onye ọbụla ịkparị o wepụta Barcelona were kwuwe okwu. Chiamaka, I want to tell you this. ịkpọ Barcelona ijekọwa ihe mere na Barcelona agwa nga na afa m ise trap ịkpọ afa m enwere m nothing to do with you but itie picture m then I will reply you ọ bụrụ sọ mụ na aza Kingsley so ịchọ ngụwa bụ Chiamaka ọ about Barcelona ịkpọ ihe mere na Barcelona ịbịa kọọ ihe mere na Barcelona Adeji gbagwe onye ọcha so asịra hey Kingsley lakpuru ngwa ya achụba m nwaanyị ọcha ikwu Barcelona now ijekwa ihe mere na Barcelona ijekọwa that is the opportunity gị for ịbịa Abuja na police station yeah ezigbo opportunity so many people when did I get about police station before so this is opportunity give for going to police. Hello. Right? Isn't it a Barcelona? Ikute Barcelona, ebia kowa. He play voice note, ebia kowa. So, I think easily put on love and like. They're reporting this page. They're reporting the program. So, Barcelona, you reach mado na oya taisi mado ncha. It is ebia kowa ye beredie. Now, Ogechi Okeke. Ofia furago gwagana ye buge bubia. And the channel over here on any kind of ya. If you hear that nana mebuge mebumona na abugu. All this time can need the authority. And we never anya my nguma, my followers. So but when they better I grant to get you bell. But what you do when I call for Afrago, or the yo quack talk and a cuckoo to avoid him. I said, oh, get you talk now because it happened during that Jesus. I said that at the half, I don't know. I know the Kuzoku, I don't know. Perhaps people that time I said, oh, the Kurozoku. I told Wakana Petia, Chawa, Kaname, Chawa, I grant to buy a bell. But what you do to avoid another crimping. Ha, crimping. Crimping, however. Aku gas, aku bonego. Take your class again. Oh, more about Karok. Kiss it. Mother now work and Kitara. I not turn up here this time. I don't want it. Jewekebo. Ane jigi. Ena galavant. Ane jigi. Ine zuziare. Ane jigi. Ine zuziare. Amu ba karisia. Two more karisia one. Two more karisia one. Ide check your tele. Paka. Hey, Chileke Nanaji, can no do one mother barrier. Ane check your tele. Paka. Naju onene. What can be Sebuku Goose? Ebinoquala he chokele. Para. Ebinoquala he choke. Ane check your tele. Paka. When Penamon a day like this is coming. Now, Ogechi, that is Otelo Ogechi Adra because so na that on Cowboys, people tell you first. He could get in on one side because he don't look the side and in prison. Side there for go for a turn one side there. Oh, was an for go for every junction now and we go come. Obulie church kutere na Facebook. Obono so for the canas, Camariana, Cabo, battalions of people, man the army, also no general, Kendi army, Utie fechi Ogochukwu jaja. Ajena nke ndị police. Nyanya amaliche ndị police anya. Nye nwere contact nka. Nye nwere contact enu. Na nke emekwe. A na-echeki otere paka. Ndị mmadụ a na-enuju. Ụmụ nwoke amụ mmiri etu osikpọ ha. A na-echeki otere paka. Ha na-enuju. Ụmụ nwoke sokwa akpọ Ogechi kwempin. Dekwo Calistus. Queen Oge. Queen Oge, good morning. Queen Oge, good morning. Nene Caliph. Hi, Chineke nna. 70-year-old man. Queen Oge, good morning. Queen Oge, good morning. Ezugo no side ya. Nwanyi obodo oyiwo. Anti Oge. Oburu otele ọ na-echekere paka. A na-enuju. Now 1 million followers that can never have 100 people watching. 1 million followers cannot have 100 people watching. Only really ne apage epo n'ụzọ. Oga apage epo n'ụzọ akpago Ogechi. Ndị police ekwu okwu, isu ndị police. Lawyer ekwu okwu, esoro Simon Cow. Bamu onye Ogechi na-akparị ha. Bamu individual Ogechi na-akparị ha. Maka ịnọ na America, ọmalịcha America, you are untouchable. Now what is happening? Family gị na-anọ na mgbagharị. Ụmụ gị na a na-eji gị. Ị na-amachagharị. Na okere na-ata afọ anwa. Ngwa bụ Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Kere na-asọfụ ya na ngwa bụ Ogechi. Ndị na-asị gị kwempin, ride on. Ma ndị na-asị gị Anti Oge. Ma ndị na-akpọ gị Queen. Ọkwa ya na di ya na ụmụ ha nọ na-enwe aṅụrị, na-eri na-aṅụ. Ngwa anọ ya na nga. Town. Ha chọkwa na propaganda again. Ka ị nọ ịkwali ya. Asịrị ịnọzi ebe a na-ere ezi ego. Na-agwọ ndị mmadụ ọya. Ịbụzi Jizọs ọgwọ ọya. Ị na-agwọ ndị ọya. Achọta ndị mmadụ ụlọ. Na nga. Kuchibisiri ebe anyị nọdụ gị mma na. Why are you people bothering them? A na-ekwuweri. Ogechi Naija na 5 years, man obere gboo. Ogechi Naija na 5 good years, man ọ narị ya gboo. Oga ndị Ogechi mejọrọ karị. Ndị Ogechi kparị karị. Ma ndị amị, ọ mara nọ ndị amị, ma lieutenant colonel, ma ndị police, ma ndị lawyer, ma ndị san, onye comment ya, Ogechi agba ya jajaja. Onye comment ya, Ogechi agba ya. Onye comment ya, Ogechi agba ya. Now, ozugbo ya na-arụ jam. Oga eme Ogechi remind, again na yere ka 2 times, Ogechi ya ibara na lock up, I swear. Because I believe on a day like this will come. If you don't wish the papia, be a barrier. If you don't wish others, be a barrier. Ye kante, the kutelente. Ogechi anana kanai. Ndibai, my body a young na pom. And they are business. So, Kabe don an uneku get your Okeke Njaka lose kuomego. I don't know if you're getting me. So money first. ka mee business kama ọ dị na mgbede abịa chakwako again ọ bụ ma campaign ka enwere ya na-ekwutere ya arapụ ya gbogbo na 5 years ma na-emeri ebere so ọ bụ na enwere chọrọ ịkpọ call ọkpọ ọ bụ na enwere chọrọ ịkpọ call ka nje mee 1 or 2 business nna dị anyị December ka a na-achọkwa na ịgba ihe ka mmadụ fe ego eji wee gote akpa rice yeah so I ejide here na mgbede I will come back or ọ bụ na intelligent caller mess in time you might come back Ogechi is in Nigeria receiving her first Nigeria amendment right which is prison where there will amend the amount that where they will be at ball even no ya elele ọnụ ya ebe ya ugwu nene coconut head ya de beta shape nsogbu odi ụmụ ibe de were ndị were obi ọjọọ ai Chineke ọjarị hey intelligent caller
Ofujiri idi ebube dị ngozi.
Mmadụ sị na ya echi pụọ n'oge
Ọma na ọ dị same right ọ nwere onye ọbụla nwere ya.
na amendment right portion.
Onwe ndị amendment right ha bụ n'ọnụ, nwere ndị nke ha bụ n'edemede. Mana nke emechara ya bụrụ.
Ọgwa princess bụ na obi adọrọ si na first amendment right. Hey, ozu brile. So na first amendment right ya. Na ya shape ọnụ awa. Shape coconut ya. Intelligent caller prison.
Nwanne. Mgbe nye tara ya na bribe agbatara ya n'ọnụ.
Na so.
Onye ọbụla ya afọ ife ibi afọ.
Na so.
First of all, can congratulate you gị first.
Daalụ maka mere gị.
How you have diplomatically distanced yourself. That you are not in the knowing or plan or collude with anybody or group of persons who malign or defame the person of our sister. Man. So I'm very happy now your continued apology. Ojikwa na ife na-eme dị n'obi. And you mean whatever you are saying.
Yes.
But it's quite unfortunate that most people took it for granted.
Yeah.
Most people were laughing. But you know what they normally say, the end justifies the means.
Yes.
Aya nolugo, aya afugo. Not today ka people bido mụba ya amụ. Not today ka people bido kọba ya ọnụ. Not today ka people chogo to bring us down.
Yeah.
But because of tactics, we are still floating. Maka ihe ndị mmadụ na-ekwu, we are still floating. So I want to commend you maka ọ dịrị easy. You know?
Yeah.
Because mgbe i chere na udo dị mgbe a ka even Bible si mgbe a ka ị ga-enezi anya
eziokwu.
ịghọtago
Mm.
oge na ife ọbụla nwa nke mmadụ ga-ekwu o nwere ndị na-aghọta ihe very late nwee ndị na-aghọta ife ozugbo ozugbo
Yes.
otu anyị na ebe a now o nwere ndị Amerịka now ka na-etete etete.
Yes.
You see that there is time and season of everybody is not the same.
Yes.
Ọ dị ka ndị Vietnam na-alalụ alalụ. So if there is time and season. So o nwere ike some people aghọtabe and you don't expect them to understand, you allow them to rant. They will rant thinking they are instigating. They will rant thinking that they can make a cancel. At the end of the day, agbasi ọsọ.
I go on mine.
There are some people I don't like to be calling names again because for me, an adult baby, you begin to teach an adult a simple ABCD. If you're at the place of learning, the very slow.
On the fast,
The last time I came out to talk about the topic, maybe I'm somebody look at the way to follow. But what about the, most of them are what about the implication of what is on ground? You go and consult an expert.
Okay.
You go and consult an expert or guide the ag. Imagine what we are doing now, Agafe go ranting business.
Of course. Preach on, my brother.
I've given you a martial order. I have read the riot act. But some people don't listen. So ya can you ask Biko? Our advice is in on your border.
I will.
Let them be wallowing in their stupidity.
Yes.
Ọkwa nwaanyị omekome ka a na-agwa 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 ka a na-agwa. Ọkwa nwa ka ewetazi akaụntụ tinyesi ka a na-atụzili ego. Agwa ntị ya nụrụ abịa igbuli isi egbulu ma ntị.
Yes.
Kezi ihe nwaanyị omekome na-akpọrọ ndị nọ na befa na fonu elelizie ebiko ka amazi aka ga-esi setụlụ ka amazi aka kezi ife a na-esetụlụ. But enwere opportunity to settle now. Enwere opportunity to settle then. Nobody paid attention because of ego. Because the process na the time taking, pain taking. But ọ bụ ma ọ ga-emesi happen ọ ga-emesi happen. But our people adịghị ege ntị. The other day, they issued an invitation. Instead of somebody like Kafia, Nwonye Egoli, to kick into action, matter how he can begin to rescue himself. What did he do? He came out to talk and mock. Onye na mock, or were any emphasis on his body? The answer is no. Why can't you face your problems squarely? Why are you putting yourself in a cage where you cannot get out from? Why? Man, only the right thing for you to do. You get a letter from an organization, reputable government organization. Now the whole of Facebook, letter. But you came to Facebook to go and be talking about why not communicate to those people direct? In Abamba for Mba's sake, for casting able champion, but you don't know that even your voice is not even helping the Queen Pin. Your voice have never helped the Queen Pin. You're not. You did not even count in the scheme of things.
Agora kuchere nwere ya che gota iwe niwe nna m. Ka ni Susan na-ekwu okwu ihe letter enyere ya.
Yes, he talked about it indirectly and tried to discover Saga to cover it. But I'm not telling him that is not the right thing to do. You have to be bothered on how to clear his name over the all allegation leveled against him. O kwesịrị ibido n'ụtụtụ chigbu ewu ojii. If you are prepared for the game, you begin to solicit for money. If you are not prepared, you begin to apologize. Because very soon they be their stupid slants. Na anyị niile bụ ndị Igbo. Anyị niile bụ ndị Igbo. Anyị onye bụ onye Hausa here. Even if na ebugodo onye Hausa. When they talk about rule of law, it's even na na-emegbu ga-emegbu. Mana onye onye nwe ka o ji anụ ọgụ.
Of course.
You fight with anything you have. And in fight, you have to be brutal. Akabalu ya na, the next thing ya no na-agba ọbara, ọ na-eme ya fail.
N'isi ya na-asa, ọ na-enwekwa kidney problem.
For me, asị m ndị mmadụ kpalịbanụ m nwa lapụnụ ndị ọzọ because na o nwere ihe m ga-eme. Kpalịbanụ m nwa, I can't do anybody anything. Ịkpalịa m mkpalịgwalụ gị. But ọ bụrụ na ọka ịbịa na Facebook to gaslight people to think na people amụrụzi ife. Iweta some emotional way. Ndị Igbo, because of the law of karma, isi na-eburibe onye ọbụla na Facebook, isi na-eburibe kama unu na-achọ onye unu ga-atụ. All those things cannot help you. That karma bụ that lawsuit a na-achọ inye gị, onye a bụ the karma.
This is intelligent caller.
That lawsuit onye a bụ the saga. Because there is a time saga na-aba level by level.
Wait. Is there a lawsuit bụ kama a na-ekwu okwu?
Lawsuit bụ kama a na-ekwu okwu. Lawsuit a bụkwa saga a na-ekwu okwu ya. Because saga has 10 dimension. You need to know, you need to begin to evolve. Opposite the way she was saga last year, it's about this year. Saga have evolved.
Hey! Saga!
Lawsuit saga. Oh, we video the Konkili now. Or see if I get no, I'm gonna get one plot of land. Okay, you may be able to Abuja. Oh, I will go with the
It's not yes again.
Why am I come with video watching and Kenkechi Benko? I say, no, I get what is a plot of land and my pama get you any for Bello. Robocos also your go.
And what of that?
Saga of lawsuit.
About us and I one and well. I went to go with
Saga of lawsuit. Saga be I lawsuit you.
In my Ogechi Okeke Njaka no Brian with a lawsuit. Oh no, Bona. PJ Akuge na wakwa na awa.
Akugo wa nwana nsogbu agwụgwọ. Ogaye wa. Odi awa.
Nda ihe akwa amụma ka eburu ihe ahụ. Ndị erekwanị. Na this movie industry, iju ogwe gị Facebook ejego ga na irere na court case in Nigeria.
Negodu nwanyị omekome. Sometimes, do you know that sometimes I sit down, I begin to quantify.
Lawsuit Akaria. Bye.
Onye ọbụla jekwecha na ebe o
Lawsuit
yere kpọwa
Akaria.
ejenti n'oge. Onye ọbụla chọwakwa ejenti ego anị ya n'oge. Iwu ike saịnị akwụkwọ.
Ekele monu.
Nwa Benko,
Good morning.
Onye mechie.
As you can see, I come never around my office. I just now after now.
Onye mechie.
Akaria.
Onye mechie ngọleje.
Ya na mana zoku. Na kuje. Kiki kefenemen.
Udode.
Our prophecy ka anocha n'ime ya. Amani ile burebu abịala to pass.
Nna.
Iteje koko.
Nwa ya ọma.
I greet you.
Yeah.
Ekele m gị ma ka m kpọọ gị ihe m na-akpọ gị n'afọ onye ara your sister ụfọ. My sweetheart, my love, my messiah, my king you are.
Na love ọhụrụ na-enyekwa na iteje kọrọ nnọkọrọ ọ na-atụkwanụ m nke m.
Bịa Kiki, come on, stop being jealous.
Bụrụ lọvụ na-enye ka eke nyenụ m ego.
Ọgwa.
Kiki, stop being jealous.
Ọ gwara na peji m ka a na-apịacha aka ọkụ ihe.
Kiki, stop being jealous. You are getting your own love already. Kiki, that you are getting your. How many people they jealous to get behind?
Nah, Preach.
Even apology in a member. Do you know people that are dying?
Oh, we're going on.
And you will keep on apologizing.
Threat. Even the but I never your way again. I told me Rana. I don't want to sell my land because just pay attention. Facebook can't welcome go before. Get you. Even somebody must say, I'm here. Facebook can't go before. A little 1 penny. Why ya biara na nje case oburo woman. Am I biko? I will beg. I beg you
48 years in America. Where him to go?
Everybody have lose kambalo. Facebook, what am I gonna Facebook okurumo? Eje ma for satara no obodo oyibo. Adan lay age make case. Aman walk. It can never. I will beg, yes. Obura ya bro mu. Amu dara di beribe. Bo me fulef. Oh, ekwelem. Kan dai beribe ama nwere onwe mo biko.
Apuga wawa. On a mute.
Apugo.
On a mute. On a kuru honia.
Ite je.
Aburo baga biko.
Nobody will deceive me this time. I will keep on begging. Also, keep on. Even you have demand yourself. No, mama, another village next week. Oh, commiss, also be going to ask you a cookano. Nequono biko bar. Biaranam. And I guess Facebook not come before. It can never work.
I got to watch if any column go Facebook.
Now, Sharon, where you now?
Okay, Kapuragaku.
Ha! Over $400 and something.
Are you serious?
8 years now stars. And we protest at 152. 4 days, I just cool guava.
Problem, so leave it. Hour before I just out.
When this style of natural can see you, I am ready to beg. I am not ready to lose my land because of case. Never.
In Asaland, Kiki, you need to be free in Nigeria. You have to be free. Walking around. You need the ganga.
One now, what be a man, not I want to be free anywhere, Naga. Also, I have one net, yeah,
freedom is everything.
Okay, I just go out. I just go out up
just again, I would before. I just out now.
Because Ediman, it's not Ediman cooking. Omega acknowledge the thing. As
Emmanuel can see a program.
Yes.
Omega indirectly, but not where the proper thing to do.
Okay. Indirectly. Okay. No wahala. Eh.
Nyara just na puta na-ekwu eri. You know, Emmanuel ọbụla nwere rules where acknowledge nke ya.
Yes.
Yes, so, but my problem is na-agakọta ebe mmiri dị ebe n'Opiumo. Can I think that is business as usual?
Yeah.
When train have already left the station. Na station. Ada siku ya chelo. Train ada amofa break till olu na the other station.
Na so no.
Some adults Adama, ọ kati bute emotion. Chukwu kpọọ n'ọkụ. Onye na-ajọ mmadụ jechi obodo oyibo. Onye ga-enye unu lawsuit. Onye na-enye mmadụ lawsuit ka onye mmadụ. We need to understand the foundations of this thing. Into your biko, Iyoba biko, Ichi with delegation your biko, you will do delegation your biko. You will think that what you can defend yourself. Because a third party will come and decide. A third party now will come and decide. You now feel you know everything in your disposal to defend yourself. You keep it.
Yes, you bring your proofs.
It's not business as usual. Times and seasons have changed. Exactly. You see, they get on rest in peace. There's no problem. To do that. Nobody. Is within your right to do that. Money was the right. Kama Israel. Onye seen about the mother saga before. You were not the mother. Kama is all they come up with the lawsuit to Nabia. Nobody is influencing anybody. Man, the point is that people should know there are how people react to issue. The way PJs handle law issue, the different the way more against we handle that same particular issue. For the fact that this thing does not mean no the beer mania gear. You got to go.
Hey, DJ, Nagapenano, Damungo, Damunga. I don't know this time I was not to get the name of that.
I only no piano before you go.
It's a saga, the main brutal saga, the October. I begin to look at it. And any announcement in all these things.
Now, my brother.
Need to order before they notice.
What is saga in the first place? And who thinks that people pay attention? And see, let me tell you something.
Oh God.
We made him part. Why is that we try to devoid of saga? Because when we entered, it's also Ogechi, this, that. All these things never yielded result. Even him was even tired that he came and washed Ogechi, baptized her, and left Napulu. Thinking that it will stop. People came and revitalized the whole thing, baptized the whole thing, make it to be make it real, so that people will understand that this is reality, not fight.
Exactly.
Amaka Dalapo, nothing like freedom.
When officers in the whole thing, now refine go the whole thing, or the with another criminal word, preaching the gospel. No, quick. Now he's trying to criminalize the whole system again because of an water result. Saga Sequia, Saga Syria.
Saga went to business, but I kept Saga what that doesn't not business confusion.
If Lemania, let's say the Lapuka. My wife, Melu Moke better. Moke were on oh, orphan club. He's an orphan. You have to pity for him.
Yes.
We did nega do mana ebe nwa na-enwero nne na nna a na-adị ọdụ ka onye na-enwero nne na nna ya amụta ife. I wish he will learn. Even gifts nna ji afugo how dead he is, his pages, and how irrelevant. She is helping to promote him. Trying to refine him, trying to make him a changed human being. Yes. Concentrate on your business. The only thing you get concentrate on your business. Oh yeah, say apology. We don't accept. Who are you not to accept apology? Who asked you to accept apology? Was the apology made for you? The answer is no. Mana the same you na sikwa na onye na-achọ onye ga-atụrụ unu mmadụ nga gị nwa na-achọkwa onye ga-atụrụ gị mmadụ nga, thereby contradicting exactly what you are saying.
Exactly.
This battery, please charge.
Common sense is not common.
Oh, Facebook, my true lovers. You want true lovers on Facebook? No. Concentrate on your business. Concentrate on your business. Deliver yourself with your career. Okwu m nwere ka o si adị. Okwu m nwere enwe ka o si adị. Mana onye ọbụla ga-aba n'okwu ma because ama m how it will end. Because when the time because Mboge said he gonna announceable. A blame Obi. Now this guy do this one. Now this person do this. Just like in Bonda with problem na orphanage. Maryam will do this one. But in Moroniko a lot of people. He must direction.
Does that mean that an Oyibo woman cannot advise you? Also, not divorce, you are not ex-wife.
Not divorce a person that you have never wants to marry. When you're married,
ex-wife. Ex-wife.
Just to validate in Facebook. I can go over there. So, Kikebiko, rapo that young woman. You have no rapia. Biko. No one, Biko. Many ebele. So continue. Mwakwuge n'azụ kwụta na apology gị ihe ọ bụla ime the right. O nwere ofu mkpụrụ ihe ị ga-eme n'ụwa adịrọ ngo kensịlị ga ngwa gị eziokwu. As long as I'm concerned. Rapụ ndị na-eme vidio onye mesị owere isi abụrụ ịnọzikwu ya keke. Rapụ ndị na-eme vidio onye mesị owere isi abụrụ onye kwute nke ọ na-ama explain mụ emesị oje kọwa Barcelona hotel bụ ebe anyị trak nwaanyị omekome, one of the first places the Wimpin went to hide. So
onye kuzie nke karị ya ọbịa kọwa na so
1 year so ha na-ekwu see reality pass all this nonsense. Nwanne nwekwa ike ibi aka ọnụ
n'ebe kwanụ.
The point bụ na ya realize go na anọzi another face.
Yes.
Ndị lote m oge anyị nọ primary school ike ọrịa na-akọwalụ gị na nwee ka ibi aka ọnụ ọ maka nwaanyị okiroko mere eti onwe kwa onye ọka aka ọnụ. You just that na people when they have respect. Onwe kwa eke ibi akwa amụ n'ọtụ. Iyo. Nwanne enwe my own dialect. Ọ bụrụ sọ ndị ọzọ nwere enwe my own dialect. When they get like him, that's my dialect.
Yes.
You got to
go?
So nwanne jisi ike.
No wala.
Na nwanne dịkwa nta mmadụ na-eme ihe ọfụ na ụkwụ ọ na-apị na mkpụrụ na-apụta na ya. Ihe niile a na-eti maka nwaanyị omekome. O nwere otu anụrụ na nsị gị na mee nwere ọjọọ. Ị maa na nna asị asị. Because people na-etiwasị na a na-eme vidio. Do you know that day GoFundMe ada? O nwere onye n'ụwa aka m dị happy. Do you know why? Mgbe check effort onye ọbụla tinye wee nweta that GoFundMe down, it brings a lot of joy. Ị na-eme ị na-afụ result. Immediately, I could remember mgbe a na-eme program, a na-akọsọ ọnụ onye akọ onye no action. Olu one day ji mesie petition mee everything. Pịa atụ ego. In as much that money was not enough, but he went a long way. Ekonuko Abiowere. Pia. Emeka anabu mwaya. And what the other day? You go to the disappointment. You go to the honor. You go to everybody talked a lot of things. Everybody talked a lot of things. I got the second one and went here. Pia. I never caught. Nah, the process are not gone out. Everybody was happy. The joy you better go to Madunime overcome all the insults. Now, can I tell you something? Oh, we hear about one Omekome about one Abuja. And actually, Abuja. Oman Abuja were one of the best. Location ọbụla itinye ị na-atrak mmadụ na Abuja oge ebute gị na dọọ onye atamtam.
Ha makwanụ. Achara Abuja wee ebe a na-eme ya.
Ampakụ. Do you know na ị bịara Owerri? Side egbu ahụ. Itinye this thing this guy. O buru gị gaa another place. If not that place, I'm up very well. But yeah. Abuja is well mapped. Any place you pinpoint, it will take you to that doorstep. Are they okay?
Onye mere na dem medi ndị ara na Abuja na izu oyi ozugbo ejide go. Onye sa na actually ejide.
Another place in Wakwara bụ Enugu Metropolis, the town.
Enugu, yes.
Only made mistake. That place is well mapped. Manakekos where that present that thing is because will I say them external powers? I don't know. I don't want to say that. But I think
everybody evidence.
No, let me tell you something. Let me tell you what is happening. The main problem the Quimpi is that now what are the graffiti of what is at hand? Iota. Now, how do I say so? This is the same problem this set of people now. Now, I don't know whether she always believe Niha Neku is just for talking sake.
But the request say again.
You got to go? I'm not more they believe. Now, what happened was that she came to Abuja to gain entrance through the back door. Now, she was relating to CP Igwe. So, in their interface with the police, they don't bring all the truth. So, when she was interfering, the CP near the the confidence that we fed in her. But you have to come to Abuja. Since none there are you get just here so that we can interfere. If you go how she came.
Okay, that confidence,
not just that confidence, as a woman, her own version of the story, each and our own version of the story.
Couple lies, so but I'm not gonna have the actual truth.
Oh yeah, but the lies are now what now because now this guy if this guy now even video lozo this guy if you now for the example now if everyone his own version of the story you begin to pity him.
You're right.
Okay, now let me give you an example.